Yes, good morning, my people, all nice and decent people. Your boy Anthony here. I couldn't get to come out into the storm and make a video for you guys because I was having a flu. But this is the day after the storm. This is what it looks like. Yep. All buried in snow. Look at those cars down there, buried in snow. Let me go around the back of my building and see what's going on. This is what it looks like, ladies and gentlemen. It's snow and pure snow. Lots of snow. Cars are buried in snow. I was having a flu from the Saturday night. It was so terrible I couldn't come out when it was falling to show you guys the real effects of it. This is what it looks like. Yep. Yep. Yeah. The whole place is buried in snow. Lots of snow. The whole state, and not only this state alone. It's all across the country. Massive snow. This is the biggest snowstorm in recent years. It rarely hits us this time. Yep. This is what it looks like. Well, most of the cars are parked under here, so they were the lucky ones. My car is also under there too, so I don't have to dig out my car from snow. Let me go down a little more to show you guys out on the street what it looks like. Yep. I'm so sorry I couldn't come when it was falling, but I'm gonna show you guys now what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Yep. This is where I live, my area. Look at it. The whole place is buried in snow. Massive snowstorm. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we got to go through when you live in a country like this, you know? A country where snow have its season. Yep. A lot of snow. Lot of snow. In fact, I think they say we got around 12 inches of snow. Yep. 1 foot of snow. That's a lot of snow. Yep. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Anthony. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Make your comments. See you guys in the next video. And I'm out.